Samsung S24 Ultra hands on the Galaxy AI is crazy. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as the brightest smartphone we've ever tested, boasting an impressive 2,600 nits of brightness. Beyond its large 6.8-inch touchscreen, the phone incorporates AI functionality, marking it as a true powerhouse in the smartphone realm. Currently available in the US, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, alongside the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Ring, signifies Samsung's strong commitment to AI in 2024. This dedication translates into exceptionally intelligent features while ensuring the phone remains user-friendly. In contrast to some devices reviewed at CES 2024, the S24 Ultra doesn't just rely on the year's most overplayed tech buzzword, it backs it up with new AI capabilities. Setting AI aside, the Galaxy S24 Ultra specs are packed with notable features. The 200MP camera excels in capturing brighter photos at night. The 50MP telephoto camera offers a sharper 5x zoom. The flat display, no longer curved, shines brighter outdoors, and the phone's frame boasts titanium construction, taking inspiration from Apple. Additionally, it comes equipped with an embedded S Pen, making it the only flagship phone with a convenient stylus and remote-controlled selfie wand. There are numerous commendable changes, as one would expect given the starting price of $1,299 before trade-in values, which can reduce it by $750 on launch day. The question remains, does the phone's intelligence justify its hefty price tag? Let's delve into the details before I present my comprehensive Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra review, sans AI assistance. When it comes to summarizing information, the Notes app proves incredibly useful. A standout feature of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series AI is its ability to condense extensive text and audio transcriptions into concise AI-generated summaries. As the owner of the shortcut, a tech news and reviews publication, I find that bullet points are more effective than lengthy paragraphs. This functionality is particularly valuable for audio transcriptions with extended speakers, supporting multiple languages and speakers, though speaker labeling would be a welcomed addition, perhaps in the Galaxy S25 Ultra next year. One can't help but wonder, where was this during the marathon lectures of my college years? Achieving generative photo edits is a breeze. With cloud processing, I could effortlessly transform photos by repositioning subjects, generating new elements, and even rotating and filling in missing edges, all within the default photo editing menu on the S24 Ultra. While these capabilities exist in the latest Photoshop version, the speed at which I could reframe my picture on the S24 Ultra was remarkable. The wallpaper menu of the S24 series now integrates generative AI. Navigating a Mad Lib-style customization menu allowed me to create unique lock screen and home screen backdrops. In one instance, my S24 Ultra painted a T-Rex in the jungle with watercolors, while another set of commands produced surreal wallpapers featuring bicycles made of felt in shades of pink and purple. While not fully customizable, the novelty lies in the fact that no two wallpapers are generated alike. A standout feature worth highlighting is the ability to fix shadows and eliminate reflections in photos instantly. While Samsung phones had some capability in this area before, it now appears more potent. I'm eager to see how this feature performs on my everyday pictures, potentially eliminating the need to open Adobe Lightroom. The introduction of the circle to search gesture by Google makes finding objects in photos or videos much simpler, debuting first on the S24 series before spreading to other Android phones. This gesture allows pinpointing landmarks, tree types, and products without leaving the app. While reminiscent of Google Lens, the integration into the app streamlines the process, particularly useful for identifying products on Instagram without navigating away from the feed. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.